Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a PlayStation 4 game and free up storage space on your PlayStation 4. So if you're on the home screen like this, you can go over PlayStation 4 game and press options on it, and then there will be a delete option right here on the bottom. It says you still have access to this, you just have to go to where it says library and go to the purchase area, and you can re-download it at any point in time. So I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to delete that game off my PS4. And it's no longer displaying under the home screen. So that's one way that you can delete the game. Otherwise, you can go on over to library right here, and you can go to the top where it says all, and these are all the games that are currently downloaded and installed on my PlayStation 4, and you can go under this list to delete the game. So let's delete one more game, Resogun, one of the classic PlayStation 4 games that were out on launch. So let's go to delete, and delete this one off my PlayStation 4 as well. So if I go on down to where it says purchase right here, this is where I can re-download the game in the future. So just go under this section and you can find the game you deleted. And the last way to find games to delete is to go to settings right here, then go on down to storage, select this, and then go to system storage. And it may take about 1 or 2 minutes to calculate the applications on the top right here, but you can see the areas which you can delete some data. So if I go to the capture gallery, I have about 90 gigabytes to delete from there. But let's go up to applications. You can see this is the largest amount of data I have on my PlayStation. So let's go to this, and I can see the gigabyte and the storage size of each application or game. So Rocket League is taking about 30 gigabytes. Bloodborne is 36. So let's delete one more game from here. Call of Duty Black Ops 4, 183. So that's a huge download. Let's go to it, and let's delete this one off my PlayStation by pressing options, go to delete, and we can delete multiple games at the same time, or we can go to select all and delete all the games. Then let's go to delete, and this application is now being deleted. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.